Hi, Cozy. Where you behave yourself?
Yeah, Nanny's going out.
Where you behave yourself? Hi, Cozy. Where you have food? Okay. I just need no food.
Yeah, she's gonna get some food.
I know, but just go for a walk.
Yeah, she's going for a walk. She's gonna get some food and go loitering at the mall.
I'm going out. You're gonna be a good girl. Kisses back. Love you, Kazi. See you later. Got lots of kisses anyway.
Where you behave yourself?
Yeah, you behave yourself too.
I have food.
Yeah, I'm gonna get food. You need food? Does Kazi need food? Bye, Kazi. Love you. See you later. Be a good girl for Mama. Okay?
Let's go for a walk.
Yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk. Here I go.
Where you behave yourself?
Yeah, you behave yourself too. Okay. See you later, baby.
Where'd Nanny go?
Let's go for a walk.
Yeah, Nanny's going for a walk.
Hi, Cozy.
Bye, Nanny. Love you.
Bye-bye. Let's go fresh yourself. I'll be back soon later. I need your food. Okay? Now she can go out.
Where'd Nanny go? Where's Nanny going?
No food.
Yeah, she's going to go
Bye-bye.
get food and she went bye-byes. Yeah, Nan's gotta behave herself when she goes out loitering.
Hi, Cozy. You bring yourself food and now browse yourself. Be a good girl. Are you sharp? With the baby gotta go out. Mommy and Nan go shopping. And you be a good girl. Bye-bye. Now it's the man you go warn yourself. Okay. Bye, Cozy. You have food. Let's say bye, Nanny. You have to go for a walk. No one has to go for a walk. It's okay.